Subsequently, after Republicans took the majority of the House, a subcommittee on digital assets, financial technology, and inclusion was set up. And at the helm is Representative French Hill. He is a Republican out of Arkansas. District 2 was set as the chair. The vice chair of the subcommittee will be Representative Warren Davidson. He's a Republican out of Ohio who has also been active on crypto issues. The subcommittee's jurisdiction will cover the following 3 areas: providing clear rules of the road among federal regulators for the digital asset ecosystem, developing policies that promote financial tech and to reach underserved communities, and lastly, identify best practices and policies that continue to strengthen diversity and inclusion in the digital asset ecosystem. French Hill did some digging. He's been a member of the House since 2014. He served as a commercial banker and investment manager in Little Rock. He served as executive secretary to President Bush's Economic Policy Council. So knows his way around some traditional finance. 2021, he co-sponsored a bill that required the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System to study the potential impact of a U.S. central bank digital currency, CBDC, calling it important work. And I found this quote I wanted to share. He said this: "I look forward to working with my colleagues to ensure the U.S. dollar remains the world's reserve currency and that any U.S. CBDC assures that adequate privacy and security protections are in place and that private sector innovation leads the way." So here in Texas, we are not open to a U.S. central bank CBDC. In fact, the TBC has a resolution in direct opposition to it in this session. With Congress and the House being split, I don't see a lot of headway happening here from a federal level, but I do expect Texas to take a strong stand on this issue.
Yeah, I think you'll talk to any Bitcoiner and they'll say, they'll give you a long list of reasons why CBDCs can't happen, shouldn't happen, won't happen. But I think that's cool that they're working on the working on the committee. I wonder if I'm assuming it's all Republicans on the committee. I know Warren Davidson and French Hill are, but
yes,
are there others on the committee?
Not that I know of, but I didn't dive much deeper into who else is on it.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I'm assuming it's all Republican. Sounds like a very conservative group, but yeah. Everybody brings their own opinion, and I think it's good to put out there on the table. But I do hope that they can bring in some people from across the aisle to work together, because CBDC really does align being anti-essential bank digital currency aligns with both parties once you dig into it a little bit deeper. So, yeah, we'll see where that goes.
This was kind of an interesting experiment in looking into representatives and senators and whatnot and trying to figure out where they stand from a crypto perspective. There's actually like a rating scale of not crypto-friendly to very crypto-friendly. And this guy, French Hill, registered high. However, after some digging and looking into his CBDC work, it's like you've got to find those individuals that align with what your values are.
Sure. Yeah. It's very interesting.